Microsoft Word has the ability to open PDF documents and convert them to editable content. This can really come in handy when you no longer have access to the original files used to create the PDF. From Word, go to File, Open, and locate the PDF just like you would open a normal Word document. You'll see a message telling you that Word will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Word optimizes the conversion for text editing, so you'll most likely find that the layout of the document might not match the layout of the PDF, especially if the PDF contains a lot of images. Click OK to start the conversion. Depending on the size of your PDF, it may take a few seconds to a minute or two to complete. But once the conversion is done, you'll see your PDF as a Word document. And at this point, you'll be free to select, add, delete, or otherwise edit the contents. And when you're done, save your file like any other Word document.